Right behind me, 3101 Bluebird Rd, Lebanon, Tennessee. You're looking at a new construction build by Powell Builders. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, around 3,100 square feet, all situated on around 1.8 acres. So with that, we're gonna take a tour of this place, so stay tuned. As we get ready to head inside, if you haven't already noticed, this is an all brick home. And before you even get inside, you'll start noticing some of the custom finishes that you get from Powell, starting from this little front porch. Welcome in. Notice some of the custom trim work as you go. Just a nice little entry foyer. On the right, you've got a little jacket closet. But as you enter the room, you're greeted by an open floor plan. You've got your great room over here, gas fireplace with your brick surround. You've got your kitchen with a eat-in area, a nice island. You've got natural wood finishes on the cabinetry, gas fireplace, tile backsplash, of course a spot for your refrigerator. This is going to be your pantry space. And nice little look of that great room. Just off to the right is your back patio. We'll head out there in a minute, but we're going to go take a tour of the secondary bedrooms first. So starting with the full bath down here. Secondary bedroom number 1. I think I mentioned it before, but if not, you do have ceiling fans throughout this house for the most part. Secondary bedroom number 2. This one has a larger walk-in closet. All right, what next? Master bedroom. Let's go do that. So on this side of the house, you will find access to the garage right over there. Bonus room upstairs. Utility room straight ahead. And then this is your primary bedroom. Nice view of the backyard. In the bathroom, you've got those natural wood finishes with quartz counters. Slight accent of some blues and grays in there, if you can see that. You've got the standalone tub. Of course, with the toilet, walk-in shower. And then a really nicely sized closet for the primary bedroom. Before we get to the really good stuff, let's go check out the utility room. You do have a built-in bench for your jackets and shoes and all of that great stuff. You do have an additional storage closet. And then your utility room. Let's take a look at this garage. So one of the favorites, of course, you got the nice 3-car garage. Whether you need that for all the toys, vehicles, or for a workshop, you've got it. Just off of this side, just a little storage unit underneath the staircase. You do have a tankless water heater, runs off gas. natural gas, should I say. Okay, heading back inside. Let's go check out the upstairs bonus room. All right, so welcome to your huge bonus room. Plenty of space to do what you would like up here. Just a view of the front yard. You do have a full bathroom up here. You've got the black accents on this one. And then just up top, you have your 4th bedroom. With a walk-in closet. And then as you step on through the closet, you also have access, if desired, to the attic with some additional storage space up there. All right, so with that, let's head back on down. We're gonna go check out the backyard real quick. More quick glimpse just in case you wanted one. With that, let's check out the backyard. So welcome to the backyard. You have this nice little covered back patio with an additional little pad, I guess for a hot tub or grill out area. And this is your backyard. So you do have a neighbor back there, but that's okay. Not a big deal, still plenty of space between each other. With that, we appreciate you watching this video. If you would like to see another one, there should be one somewhere up there. If you would like personalized one-on-one help, we do a free, no obligation strategy meeting. Contact details and calendar link for that is in the description below. Otherwise, we hope to see you in the next one, and have a great day.